Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching JERUSHA COUTURE TV. This is going to be a super chatty video, so if it's not your type of video that you want to see, that's okay. You can click out and come back for another video of mine. But I would like to start by thanking today's video sponsor, and that is in fact MILF Life, the label. These guys reached out to me a while ago and sent me a few things in the post. They've come back and they are a video sponsor today, so I'm showing you a few of their items, and they have happily given me a coupon code to share with you guys, which will give you 20% off their website. So I will leave that link below and the code that you can use at checkout. These are their cute little packaging bags, and I'm happy to tell you this is an Australian label. And here we go, there's their swing tag. It just says MILF Life. We all know what MILF stands for. This is their beanie that they sent me. Very cute. It doesn't really go with my Valentine's Day ensemble right now, but we know what a beanie looks like. On my phone is my infamous Fierce Mama case by MILF Life. You may have seen in Instagram pics or on Insta stories. Back when I first got this, I rocked this case a ton. It is just a silicone case, but it's actually really nice because it's slimline. But Mussy has dropped this, and honestly, like, you know, it's not going to be bulletproof, but it's actually really good and it's so nice to the touch. The Fierce Mama is raised. And then the last item I want to show you from the MILF Life label is these leggings that they sent me. They are this kind of wet look lycra. They're really comfortable. And then on one leg you have the MILF Life logo printed on there. And then you just have this decal on the other one with the stripes and the two stripes. And they're just so cool and they're very comfortable. Their sizing is perfect. This is an XL. And they are just fantastic for me. I love doing yoga in those. So thank you so much to MILF Life. Again, I will leave the link below and my coupon code to get you 20% off their website. So in today's video, guys, I am sharing with you my luxury picks for Valentine's Day off FASHIONPHILE.com. You guys know I'm a FASHIONPHILE.com blogger. I stand by them. I have been to California with them on a trip and seen their boutiques. Luckily enough, I was blessed enough to go. I've gone through the site for Valentine's Day and chosen my picks of what I think would make a very pretty Valentine's Day gift. Granted, a lot of them have kind of come up in that sort of pink, red, pretty, feminine kind of category, just because that's how I was feeling. But I think these are an assortment of sort of gift ideas or requested gift ideas from the resale market that are very, very achievable. So to start off with, a couple of jewelry pieces. Nothing goes past Cartier. Nothing. I know it's a huge rage here, especially in the luxe community, you know, to buy your love bracelets and your love rings, you know, from the boutique and everything. Your husband or your partner, your girlfriend or boyfriend buys them for you. But whenever I've looked into the craze of like a love ring or whatever, I've actually always looked on the resale market. I just think they do hold their value because they're 18 karat gold and it's Cartier and all of that. But still, if I did go it, I would go the resale market route. I'd go the pre-loved route. I just would. And just get a really good condition one. I chose this Chanel CC pendant with the coral pearl on a gold chain. I think that is so dainty and cute. I chose this monogram Mura Love Heart coin purse with the chain. Do you remember the Mura collection, like circa Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian era? That whole like, I loved it. The Mura collection was so popular. Again, it's like a varnished calf leather, so it's kind of like a vernis. But it's so cute and it's a love heart. Oh! I chose these ultra sexy bondage, aka 50 Shades of Grey. Does another 50 Shades of Grey come out on Valentine's Day? Jeez, can't that movie end already? Honestly, it's just, oh my God. It is just so rookie sexy. I chose this monogram cherry collection clay. Do you remember the cherry collection with the miniature monograms? and like the Murakami flower smiling. So cute. Ultra cute. Again, pinks. I chose this calfskin chevron small O case because it's actually brand new as well, and it's in that really pretty peach kind of color, like the peach pink, and it's in caviar and it's chevron and it's gorgeous. I did choose the monogram kirigami set, the 3 sets, the envelope sets, because they're like red, pink and red. So cute, right? Imagine getting those. This is also my picks for luxury new. You can still buy that from the boutique new, but hey, why would you when you can save $100? This Rodeo is super cute. You know, I have my eye on a Rodeo in pink and Hermes orange. And I think that's Rose Lychee, is it? I'm not quite sure. Nothing goes past a Chanel mini. This is the mini rectangular, in red. Hi, Amber. When I met Amber in California in Beverly Hills Fashionphile meetup, she was rocking her red chevron rectangular mini and was so cute. So I've definitely put one of those in here. How cute is this Chanel chevron quilted flap in the bright red there? It actually matches my card case perfectly with the silver hardware, and it's in caviar leather. I love this Van Cleef necklace. It's so gorgeous, and it's got like the reddy coral flower that's at the bottom. I think that's really good price on that listing for that necklace. And lastly, I have chosen a Gucci Soho Disco in the color red. I tried this bag on. I tried it on in Singapore airport with my mum as like a pop of color idea, and she didn't like it on me. She didn't actually like anything on me because she didn't want me to buy any more luxury, but this in the red is so gorgeous. It's kind of like my super mini, how that pop of red is just so pretty. I totally recommend the Soho Disco if you want kind of a casual, cool kind of bag. You can dress it up and down, and in this pop of red, perfection. That is it, guys. That is my picks for this Valentine's Day from the resale market of luxury from fashionphile.com. I went through the site and I just chose a few little items that were good buys in good condition and, you know, pretty in pink, pretty in red. Let me know your favorite one below, and let me know what you guys have your eye on for Valentine's Day. Luckily, these Hallmark card holidays are doing us a favor. We can ask our husbands, partners, girlfriends, boyfriends, spouses, anyone's mothers, fathers. We can ask them for a Valentine's gift, like really think about it in advance, you know, and then just sort of soak it up and just sort of put it in their heads and see if you get a result. Vuitton in Bondi Junction tell me that this is one of their busiest days of all year. And I was just like, wow, there are some generous people out there. Why aren't I married to one? If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, that would be really great. There is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you'll get notifications of all my new videos. I will see you in my next video, guys. Have a beautiful Valentine's Day. All my love from me. Take care. Peace.